How to get better video quality during YouTube uploads. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can get a better video quality on the YouTube uploads. So make sure to watch this video till the very end. Now, you might have been trying to upload videos to YouTube, but then what happens is that sometimes the video is quite blurry. Now, most of the times what happens is that whenever you're uploading a video, the video processing hasn't yet been completed. So in that case, you might want to be patient and wait, because if you uploaded a higher resolution or a higher format video, then in that case you have to simply wait until YouTube processes that resolution. And YouTube actually supports, there are no limits as to how many actually formats can YouTube support. They can support up to 8K videos. I've seen up to 8K videos on YouTube, and the quality really depends upon which quality that your video has been rendered in. If you edited your video using DaVinci, Camtasia, Sony Vegas, or any of the other After Effects or editing application, in this case depends upon the render quality. If you rendered it in 1080p, you're going to get the max 1080p output. If you rendered it in 2K, you're going to get 2K output. If you rendered in 4K, 8K respectively, you're going to get those outputs. So YouTube is not the one who decreases the quality. It's really upon you as to how you can increase the quality and upload them on YouTube. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.